Hi, and welcome to a Spider Strategy Scoreboard training video. In this video, we'll be covering using and creating bookmarks in Scoreboard. Bookmarks in Scoreboard are great because they provide you with the opportunity to create your own personal library of Scoreboard content and applications that you frequently use for performance management analysis in Scoreboard. They also provide you with easy one-click access to all the Scoreboard content and applications in your Bookmarks library, sparing you the rigors of navigating to find the various applications that may live in different sections of Scoreboard. Let's log into Scoreboard and investigate the existence of bookmarks and how easy they are to create. I've logged into Scoreboard and have landed at my personal homepage. Scoreboard does a great job of identifying who I am and what my responsibilities and alerts are. Towards the right, you see a section with my responsibilities, including KPIs I own, update, and my tasks. In the middle are alerts. To keep the experience personal, towards the upper left area of the home page, under the personal category, there's the bookmarks section. If I click on bookmarks, I can see what presently exists as my library of existing applications that I have subscribed to and asked to be immediately available to me in my own personal library. I start with a dashboard that provides me from the sales area increased lead generation overview information. Secondarily, from the marketing area is another dashboard showing me increased ad clicks information. Moving further down my library, I have a simple one-click access to a revenue KPI area perspective from our financial area of the business. Again, staying in the financial world, I also have a financial overview report. Moving further down my library of existing bookmarks content, I've got a migrate servers to cloud initiative that comes from the IT department. And lastly, from the documents that have been uploaded into Scoreboard, I have quick and easy access to a user guide. Let's show you how easy it is to add additional content into my personal bookmarks library. Adding additional content to your bookmarks library is as simple as navigating to the existing original content and flagging it as desired addition to your bookmarks library. To that end, I'll navigate to the Dashboards section of Scoreboard, and within the Key Performance Indicators organization, I'll find a sales pipeline dashboard that I would like to add to my bookmarks library. All I have to do is open that sales pipeline dashboard, and towards the upper right, find the star for bookmarks icon on the toolbar and click on it. It will immediately turn blue, and by simply doing that, I have added the sales pipeline dashboard to my bookmarks library. Continuing on with that, let's move to a different section of Scoreboard, charts and reports, and in this case, staying within the key performance indicators area or organization, let's also add the red KPIs report that I'm presently viewing here to my bookmarks library. Again, it's simply clicking on the star towards the upper right to make that star blue to add it as a bookmarks. Please be aware that if you change your mind and decide that you don't want a given report in this case or application to be added to your bookmarks, it's simply clicking again on that now blue star and choosing delete to remove that from the library in your bookmarks area. I will in this case add this report to my bookmarks, so I'll turn it back on and you see that it's blue. Let's also just add another chart. We have an ad clicks chart from our key performance indicators area. I'd also like to add that to my bookmarks library. Moving down the different applications that can be added to your bookmarks library, let's jump over Briefings because at the present time, Briefings cannot be added to your bookmarks library. We'll move down to the Scorecards section of Scoreboard, and within Scorecards, again, within the Key Performance Indicators organization, we'll click on the Sales Pipeline KPI area, which as you can see is fed by multiple different KPIs, and we'd like to add the Sales Pipeline perspective or view of performance to our bookmarks library. Once again, it's simply clicking on the bookmarks star to make it blue to add it to our library. Moving yet again to another section of Scoreboard, which is the Initiatives area. I see that the Key Performance Indicators organization does not presently have any initiatives, but I'll move over to the financial organization. And within the financial organization, I see that we have an initiative to develop training internally. I would like to add this to my bookmarks library. So apparently I did this in the past, but I'll turn it off and then turn it right back on again to add it as a bookmark in my personal, again, bookmarks library. Having added several different types of applications from various diverse sections of Scoreboard into my bookmarks library, I'll return to the bookmarks section of Scoreboard and see that everything I recently added, starting with sales pipeline, moving to red KPIs, to the add clicks chart, to the sales pipeline KPI area, and lastly, the initiative view of develop training internally have all been added to my bookmarks library for immediate one-click access for me as I desire to find those in the various areas of Scoreboard where they originally live, but have them immediately at my fingertips, again in my own personal bookmarks library. Before we leave bookmarks behind, please also note that you can organize all of the content within your bookmarks library by simply creating a new folder, which we'll call in this case training folder, and create that folder. And then once that folder exists, it's just a simple drag and drop experience to bring things into the training folder and make them elements of that training folder rather than existing just in kind of the mishmash of all the various bookmarks elements. So I'll bring all of the things that we just added here in the last couple minutes down into the training folder. And I see that they are now readily available within that training folder for me to access and again click on and review. I'll get out of edit mode and there they are. I hope this introduction to bookmarks in Scoreboard has been helpful for you. And again, let's remind you of the key value adds for bookmarks. They give you the opportunity to create your own personal library of Scoreboard content and applications for you to quickly access and give you simple one-click access to all of that chosen content within your bookmarks library. If you have any questions about this bookmarks topic within Scoreboard, please feel free to contact us at learn@spiderstrategies.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.